Welcome back to my channel, guys. Look how they're fueling now. They got a pump going directly to the tank that's underneath, and they're fueling it like this. This place is going to the beep 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 beep. See that red thing? He's pumping fuel directly from the tank into the tanks of the truck. That's crazy, huh? And right now I'm sitting on one of the pumps that's working, I guess. So they're doing the other pumps that are not working by doing it this way. Having a little pump there, which is that red object, and pumping it into our tractor tanks. There you go. See? Alright, bye, thanks. See ya. Get back to work. Yep. If you like what you saw, please come back and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.